It's very early morning. The moon is just behind me. It was raining first part of the night, but it's getting a clear sky now and a bit cold. The wild hogs came at 2:30 this night. When I turned on my lights, I actually saw what actually was happening when I was dreaming and snoring happily. So that you can see the digging places here, over here, in here. They were just digging through. Dug a little bit around my bicycle, that's why it's a bit sideways. They didn't touch anything near my tent, just 3 steps around it, but even a step from it, stones are moved and the ground is dug into their night dinner. But when I woke up, I disturbed them. They didn't like it. They were making strange noises. Even here they turned the stones easily. The bushes were broken here. If you can hear, that's a wild hog. That's a wild hog has heard some bird and they're moving through the bushes down there. So they are still there even 2 hours later. I've stopped as I noticed that something has changed. Either I have crossed the Portuguese border or it's just next door. Some sort of a wall is here. Portuguese border was actually further than I thought. It's not 80 but 180 kilometers. I've done that already. I'm in Portugal. It's raining too much. I can't see very well. That's the road condition. I've been riding like that for the last hour. About 20 minutes more to go to reach nearest town. I'm out of water, I need water, and then I'll decide what to do. I'm still pushing as hard as I can.